Laba Moments here. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, karibu sana, welcome. So in this video, I'll show you how to design beautiful, appealing resumes or CVs using Canva. So Canva is a powerful graphic design tool that you should be knowing how to use in 2020. Let's dive in. So when you load Canva, click on Documents. Under Documents, search through for Resume and then select Resume. So under Resume, you will get suggestions of a number of templates that you can use. So for example, if you're just looking for a one-page CV and a minimalist resume, you can click on See All and select whichever that appeals to you. So for example, you can select the first one here. Let's increase the zoom so that you're able to see the details better to 100. So on this one-page resume, you can add your name on this side and then brief details about yourself, your education background, your experience, your work experience, that is, any skills that you have, and your contact details. And once you're done doing that, you can click on the top here on download, select PDF or the recommended file type, click on download your CV when you're done editing it, and voila, you will be ready to share it on email and on whichever other platforms that you've been asked to upload your CV. Maybe it's an online application portal for a certain company. You can easily upload this PDF copy. I hope that you've learned something, and if you've not subscribed and you're watching my content, please click on that subscribe button, and remember to like and share this video and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post. See you in the next one. Bye bye and happy creating.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.